What the heck?
What?
I just died.
No, you did.
Yeah.
Let me get to the top of this hill.
Approved. Provioso. Gonna put some V-power in this thing. Are you freaking kidding me?
What?
Bro! The gas pump just like squirted all over everything.
It's a good day for you. You should.
Dude, all over my phone.
Dude, I fucking love it. I fucking love it. Whenever you go with me, you can just have a disaster of a time.
I picked the pump up and I was like, why is the handle in? And then all the gas came out. I need, paper towels. It's all over my phone.
I don't think I have paper towels.
Paper towels. Dude, that's some
funny
bullshit.
I can't stop laughing.
Dude, it's literally over everything. It sprayed all over the whole dash. No freaking gas cap won't lock. Dude, I can't believe that just happened right now.
I still don't have to pee. I feel like I'm gonna have to pee eventually.
Dude, that last ride when I was searching for porta potties on the side of the road. Oh my god, I didn't buckle my helmet. Dude, I know it. The gas got behind the screen protector on my phone.
Gave me a little. Like, no, we were way too far away for that shit.
Right here.
Is this we're making a left or right?
We're making a right, and then you make a left at the light. The sun is bright.
Well, when we first started, it was like kind of cold and not sunny at all. It's like 30 degrees. That scared me.
Alright, so the neutral light doesn't work on this.
I said you gotta pee. Don't break her now. You good? So I'm the only one that had to piss then. I stopped the show.
Dude, good luck making a left out of here.
Really?
Alright, dude.
After the straight car. Here we go.
What the heck?
What?
I just died.
No, you did.
Yeah.
Let me get to the top of this hill.
I don't know. I'm gonna spin it around and try to pop start it. Yeah, push me. Ah, are you kidding? Think this through for a minute. Well, I'm probably gonna try to push it across the road and try one more time down that little hill there. But if it doesn't start from there, I'm gonna have to call.
You spin around to you, because you're gonna probably have to have me push it across with you, right?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna need a hand to get across there.
It's gonna look fucking hilarious.
Dude, what a shit show. This bike has literally ran fine forever. This is the only bike that doesn't break down.
And you use it one time.
Uh-huh.
People are gonna be like, dude, Predator is pushing this fucking dude's bike across the street.
Yo, right? I forgot about how ridiculous it's gonna be. I mean, I don't know. It really doesn't.
You don't feel like turned over?
No. I guess so.
Wow. You wanna let go?
Alright. Nope. That's it.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah, that was a joy.
Oh, shit, called it.
Where'd the other guy go to?
I left him at the top because I know he probably didn't have enough skill to be like spinning around on the street.
Oh, yeah. Whew, I am out of breath now. Did they? In the middle of the road? Dude, it just cut out of nowhere. It was running fine and then all of a sudden, bloop.
Ready?
Yeah. Alright, we can turn in now. Where the heck are we?
30, 40 minutes over there. You pretty much died
At the farthest point.
Oh shit, I can go right through here. Alright, Colty, behave yourself.
Alright, I'll see ya.
Definitely smells like it's getting fuel. Yeah.
Alright guys, well that definitely did not go according to plan. Hopefully I got enough footage to salvage a video out of this. It seems like it's something electrical. You can definitely smell it's getting fuel. I don't know if when I made that left turn, if there's something with the kill switch or something like that happened. It's not getting spark, it seems like. But it did turn over when I tried pop starting. It just wouldn't stay running. So I don't know. Anyways, we got the bike back, got it unloaded, and we'll have to dive into figuring out what the issue could be. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.